Of all the things I've ever posted about, this is so good. It is so tempting to want to gatekeep this. But alas, I won't. I'm a girl's girl and I'm here to share how amazing this clothing brand is. So here's the thing. I kind of already talked about the brand Quince because I did a what's in my bag video and this is from them. But they have been my recent clothing obsession and I have a feeling that this is gonna last and I want to share why. You guys know that it's been a couple years now where I've been trying to live a more non-toxic lifestyle for my hormones, for my general health, but I feel like clothing was like the last to get there. I tackled my makeup, beauty products, cleaning products, all that general stuff first, and then clothing was really secondary. Like I didn't even care or know until recently. But literally guys, now that I understand this, I am like so fed up with it. We are literally walking around in plastic, polyester, nylon, rayon, polyamide. These are all things that are not natural linens. They are literally made up and they are made from plastic. So what happens is when we sweat, like we hear about like microplastics being leached into our drinks and stuff, for example. Well, we're like absorbing this stuff into our skin. So this is just something that I'm really passionate about lately. I kind of avoided this one for a while because I thought it was more difficult, but honestly, it's so much more simple because when you're looking at beauty products, you're looking at like all these names of things that you don't understand and like chemicals and what to avoid and whatnot. But with clothing, it's really easy. You look at the tag and basically what we want is 100% cotton, bonus points if it's organic, wool, linen, like these things that are actually real fibers. So that's why I love Quince because they make it so easy, and I'm not just saying that. Their big thing is having high quality essentials at affordable prices, and they really do that so well. They have a huge catalog and not everything is natural linens. So what I do is I go through and I just check the boxes of things that I want, and then I leave like the polyester, nylon, like I leave those unchecked. I think we're all just realizing how crazy the overconsumption is with clothing and how we are buying so many things, but they're terrible quality and they're all just like falling apart. But when you buy the natural linens and natural fabrics, they actually last because they are real and they're not just like pilling and falling apart. So the girlies this summer and from now on are building capsule closets, okay? We're buying less pieces that are better quality, that are natural fabrics, they're actually good for our bodies and they're going to last. And then we buy basics and so we can just layer and wear them a bunch of different ways. Since I've started doing this, like the simplicity and like the weight off my shoulders that I feel is incredible, and it's only just the beginning for me. So today we're going to be doing a little capsule closet non-toxic Quince try on haul. I am so excited to show you guys everything. I've been wearing some of these pieces already and I'm literally obsessed. This is not my first time buying clothing from them. Not only do I have this purse, but I have sunglasses and multiple different pieces as well. But these they gifted to me and I am so honored. This is like my dream come true. I feel like now that I've been posting more authentically on the internet, like things that I actually care about as I go along, which I guess I always did, my interests are just changing. I feel like I've really been rewarded by that, and I just want to express how grateful I am for all of you that watch these videos of mine, these non-toxic videos. And if you have any recommendations for anything, make sure you share them below and check out my other videos like this. I want to start with my favorite pair of little shorts because we are in the summer. These are 100% European linen shorts. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I love that they look like boxers. I love the little gingham pattern. This is really in style right now for them to look like boxers, but they have a lot of other colors that don't. I just really wanted these. But these shorts are only $29.90. They have nice and deep pockets. My husband and I just celebrated our 5th wedding anniversary and I actually wore these hiking, okay? We were like running around the creek doing all kinds of stuff over my swimsuit and they were perfect. So these have already been washed and they held up super nicely. Now the way that they're able to keep their prices so low is because they cut out the middleman and they just ship direct. So they don't have any physical stores and they actually show their transparent pricing. They show you how much everything costs and then you can see the markup. So they don't have a huge markup. So we are actually being able to get really high quality items for really cheap, which is what I like because when you're trying to switch out everything, oh my gosh, it can be so expensive. So the way that I've been doing it is if I'm wearing something, I'm like, ooh, I don't like the way this feels or something, I just throw it out. Or I'm like, okay, one in, one out. That is a great rule when you do this. I just really love how they're able to provide these really high quality products without compromising on sustainability or ethics. It's a win-win for all of us. The next thing that I'm gonna show you is this 100% European linen tank. So there's these nice little tank top straps. These are adjustable, so you see that there is a place for a button here or a place for a button here. So you have different heights for where you want the shirt to fall. This is it in the front. It has a really nice structure. You can see the little stitching here. On the back, there is this little like ruching detail with a zipper. This tank top is $39.90. You pair that with these little shorts and you have a complete summer outfit. Next up is this beautiful dress. This is 100% organic cotton. It is a cotton gauze. It has these really nice ruching stitched straps. Same thing with the top. So it's super comfortable and it's nice and stretchy, like you're not constricted. And then it has these 3 kind of layers. So it sort of like fits up through here and then flares out. This dress is only $59.90 and yes, it has pockets, nice deep pockets. This is perfect for an addition to the capsule closet. Think like a patio matcha date, a date in general, like literally anything. And then in the fall, you can always put a jean jacket on top of it and wear it then too. Next and arguably most important, I wanted to show you their underwear because when you're thinking of like what to swap out first and like literally where do I begin? For hormones and fertility, it is so important for us to not be like sweating and then having plastic like leaching into those areas. These are the organic high cut cotton thong. They come in a 6-pack for $29.90. They have this really flattering cut that goes up on your hips. And yes, it does match this. This is also from them, but I already have a full 6-pack in black. This time I decided to get the multicolor. So there is the black, the blue, and the white, and there's 2 of each. So I kind of just wanted something different. Last time I got extra small, this time I got small, but they are just like so high quality. They're so soft. They wash up well. And honestly, I do think that the small was going to be more comfortable. Now I haven't washed or worn these yet, but I think that bigger is better for thongs. I just think that there's less like constriction, and so I think these are gonna feel better. If you're not convinced about all of this, look up the study. They put polyester pants on female dogs and pretty much all of them could not get pregnant because it created this like electromagnetic field like around their wombs or whatever. And when they stopped wearing the pants, they like pretty much could all get pregnant. So what I've been doing now that I have 6 pair of these underwear, I literally started going through my old underwear and literally like look at all of these. This is just what I've gone through so far. This is my trash can, okay? Because every single one of these is nylon, polyamide, polyester. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, hopefully I didn't scare you away with that last one. If you stayed, you're the real ones that believe in this stuff. So I wanna show you the bodysuit that I'm wearing. I have it tucked into a pair of pants that I'll show you next, but this is the stretch cotton jersey short sleeve bodysuit. I got the small because I have a longer torso, but it is just extremely soft. My husband literally today was like, I really like that bodysuit, and I didn't even tell him. I didn't even say anything. He was just like, I really like that on you. I was like, thanks. So that's how you know who's paying attention. Yeah, it's really stretchy and very nice. I don't feel constricted at all. This is only $29.90. It also comes in black and white. So like imagine all the ways that you can wear this, and it's so very affordable. I've been wearing it all day. I taught yoga in it the other day. It's very comfortable, highly recommend. Next, if you are planning a European summer, you need Quince. This is 100% European linen short sleeve shirt. It is $39.90. It is so comfortable. Like literally, I could wear this to sleep. Everything is so light and breathable and airy. These come in a ton of colors, but I wanted the like authentic flax look. So nice collared shirt, has nice buttons. The top is $34.90. And then I bought the pants to match. These are the 100% European linen pants. They have nice pockets. They have a little drawstring here. They come in 3 different inseam lengths. They come in 26, 28, 30. I got these purposely a little short so that they would come to ankle length. But yeah, genuinely this together with these like comfiest outfit ever. These pants are $39.90. And then capsule closet here, I could totally wear this black top with these bottoms, or I could wear this shirt with those shorts. So really versatile. You can also get the matching shorts to go with these. The last thing in my non-toxic capsule closet summer haul is this little t-shirt. So this is the 100% Merino Wool all season base layer tee. This is $39.90. I wanted this for working out, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I was a little bit skeptical. When I started hearing that the people that were wearing like non-toxic things were wearing wool to work out, I had only ever heard of like wool blankets and wool sweaters, and I was like, there's no way in this Charlotte heat. But there is a way, people. So this is really, really lightweight. It's made to be all seasons. It's made to sweat in. I really like where the sleeves come to. And honestly, I really need shirts in general, but I'm kind of really sick of like the crop tops being the only options. Like I really wanted some long shirts because when I'm teaching yoga or when I'm doing yoga, like I don't always want my stomach hanging out. Now this is really cool too because it's just a basic black tee, so I can wear it for anything. It doesn't have to just be working out. So here you go. There's another outfit with these little shorts. So that was my little Quince haul. Everything will be linked, of course. Thank you so much, Quince, for gifting me these beautiful items. If you need extra proof of how much that I genuinely love these things, I got these items, and then literally a couple days later was our anniversary, and my husband surprised me with a $50 Quince gift card, and so I got another skirt. I got like a full linen skirt and an organic cotton white top. I cannot wait to keep building out my collection. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have tried out their stuff and what you think in the comments below. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Oh, and make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of content, because this is what I like now. This is what I care about, and yeah, so lots more of this to come. Love you guys. Now bicycle. Really extend your legs, extend your arms. Pedal out one foot then the other. One foot extends, the other knee bends. Good. Keep those raptor arms. Yes, head back. Really stretch it out. Massage the internal organs on the back of your body. Yes, like you're dancing almost. Just let it go. Nice and free. We don't have to be that serious. Really get it. Oh yes, we want to get covered in grass. Let's do that. Kick, kick, kick. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, 1, and